Okay, so what topic we are going to cover here is like Oracle application overview. Apart from that, we will go for the installation prerequisites, then single node installation, and then multi-node installation. And at last, we will go for the questionnaire part also if you have any doubts or anything.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
So as of now, this is the first day for the Oracle. So this session is not be that much long. This is a kind of overview, like you will be likely much more habituated with this Oracle application. That why are these applications? What are the use of these applications in the market and these things? Okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
we will go start by like let's first understand like why Oracle applications are so important in the modern organizations.
Mm-hmm.
Like we know that every organization, whether it is small or like a business or like a large enterprise, we can say, performs several different type of businesses every day, day by day, because as we know, this world is world is rounded by different type of business. Either it is something is small or something related to technical, non-technical, and these different type of things. So these for the coming to the part of the companies and the organization where Oracle are used, these operations including the managing employees, processing the salaries, apart from that handling the customer request if they have the clients like um, most of the companies are like if you are working in an organization you can know that your organization is tie up with some client for which you are working for and which you are supporting for. It
Yes.
is a kind of like that. So
Yeah.
that type of handling customer requests, apart from that, maintaining their inventory, purchasing materials from the suppliers. Many companies are like manufacturing companies are demanded for the suppliers. And apart from that, we can also go for the this generating invoices and preparing the financial reports. Now imagine a company where every department use a different type of software applications. The
Mm-hmm.
HR department use one tool to manage employees. The finance
Okay.
team use another application for accounting. For sales team, they use a separate CRM system. And like inventory team maintain stock information in a completely different platform. Okay. In such situation, sharing information between departments becomes difficult. So the data may need to be entered in multiple times, which increases the chances of human errors. And you know what cause a
Yes,
human
yes.
error in our organization in the technical world. A single human error can lead to be a big losses for the companies. And apart from that, the human error also can face the duplicate of records and like inconsistent information, we can say. If you ask me about an example, like we can say that when an employee joins the company, the HR team and the HR team takes the records of that employee details. The finance team needs the same information for the payroll processing, and the IT team requires the same information to create user accounts and provide system access.
Yes, yes, I can hear
Oh,
you.
yeah.
Yes. Sorry, sorry, Shivam. Sorry.
No
Sorry for
issues, no
this.
issues. Okay. So, where we are? So, Oracle Applications is like a leading ERP solution developed by Oracle Corporation. It provides the integrated modules for the financial management, human resource management, supply chain management, and customer relationship management, we can say, and procurement for the manufacturing and other business functions. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Uh, so we can say a key advantage for the Oracle application is also like its common database which allows different information entered in one module to be shared across the others. Like if a person is sitting in Saudi Arabia like you, and a
Mm-hmm.
person is sitting in Noida like me in India.
Yes. Yeah.
So if the main benefit, the key advantage is like that the database which you are using there, the
Mm-hmm.
same database can accessible from my also.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay. Yes.
we can share the real-time data and we
Mm-hmm.
can, it is much easy to use, we can say. Hmm.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Uh-huh. So this improves the data consistency. Apart from that, real-time visibility, operational efficiency, and decision making. Large
Okay.
organizations with thousands of employees, suppliers, and transactions
Uh-huh.
rely on the Oracle applications to manage the business
Okay.
processes through a centralized platform.
Okay,
So,
fine.
mhm. So by integrating these departments and business operations, it reduces manual efforts and improves the accuracy. It is a
Okay,
kind
fine.
of like that they are working in a shared platform where
Mm-hmm.
a senior is also there, a junior is also there. So both are working on the same databases. And after the a very small example, we can say that like a junior employee given a task to um, enter the data of 1,000 employees in any
Mm-hmm.
database in the Oracle database. In
Okay.
that scenario, uh, wa- he completes the work and give and ask his manager for the quick review of that. And in
Mm-hmm.
that
Okay.
case, he don't need to share the database link or anything. The manager is also able to view the same database which is filling by that employee, and he is
Okay.
cross checking in the real time data. So
Uh-huh.
this is where the Oracle apps are mostly used. In simple terms, we
Okay.
can say that Oracle applications serve as the central system and connects different type of departments and supports the efficient business operations.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So we can basically say that a kind of shared library, a kind of shared database, what Oracle applications provide.
Okay, fine.
Installation. I think before that, I also wanna say something like mostly the Oracle applications overview. Okay, I think I missed that slide here. Oracle Financial. We can go for this one. Oracle Financial and these things. So here you can see that the Oracle Financial, account ledger and payments. So what basically Oracle Financial is? Oracle Financial, it is responsible for managing all financial activities within an organization. Okay. It helps the companies to manage their general ledger, the account payable, the account receivable, the fixed assets, cash management, and tax management. Like in the finance also, there are kind of a lot of subgroups are there, we can say. Like some team are managing the general ledger, some team are managing the account payable, some are managing the fixed asset, and some are mostly looking for the cash movements. So
Okay.
w-
You're on the
uh,
first slide only. I can see first slide. You are explaining second slide?
no, no, these are the key Oracle modules
Ah,
which
okay.
I'm
I
saying.
thought you are on
Here,
next. Ah,
this one.
this one I can see now. The second slide.
Okay,
Okay. Uh-huh.
here.
Okay, fine, fine.
Hmm,
I can see now.
huh. So think of the Oracle Financials as the financial backbone of the organization. Oracle Financial, these are the financial backbone of any organization. For example,
Um,
suppose a company purchases 100 laptops, okay, from a vendor. The
mhm.
procurement team creates a purchase order for that. Without purchase order, they can't buy, or it is a kind of for the bulk orders we are generating this purchase order, okay. Once
Yeah.
the laptops are delivered, the vendor submits an invoice. Okay. And
Mm.
Oracle Financial records that invoice, updates the accounting entries, the schedules
Mhm.
payment to the vendor, and reflect the transaction in the financial report. These works are done by Oracle Finance. Without
Yeah.
automation, these activities would be required a significant manual work, and mostly they will go for the human error and duplicate entries. And although it is a kind of this payable thing and this money thing, it should be a kind of automation for the betterment of and for a very low type of, we can say, mm, very low disabilities for this money making things. So with for Oracle Financials, the entire process become streamlined, traceable, and
Mhm.
fully automated. And for this,
Okay.
what an Oracle development will go for, they will mostly do the automation. They will work for the automation things.
Okay,
So
fine.
yeah, now our next topic is Oracle HRMs, where the HRMs module manages the complete employee life cycle. Like if anybody joins the company, from the starting, what is the starting point from join a company? It is the recruitment. Apart
Uh-huh.
from
Yeah.
that, then employee management, then attendance tracking for the daily purposes, then leave management also, payroll processing at the end of month, and then performance management at the end of year.
Yeah.
So let's consider a practical example for that. Uh, like we can say a practical example for this HR one says, suppose a new employee joins the company.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the HR team create the employee profile in the Oracle HRMs. The system
Mm-hmm.
assign an employee ID and stores the information such as department, manager,
Mm-hmm.
salary, and contact details in that.
Mm,
When the
yes.
when the employee applies for the leave, the
Mm-hmm.
request is routed to the manager for approval.
Yes,
Once
yes, yes.
approved, the leave balance is automatically updated. At the
Yeah.
end of the month, Oracle HRMs can automatically calculate the salary, deduction, taxes, and that generates the payslips. This
Yeah.
significantly reduces the manual and administrative work. You can understand what
Okay.
big role the Oracle HRMs is looking for.
Yes, yes, yes.
If the automation is not there, then this should be kind of like in a company there are 1,000 employees.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, in a kind of startups also they will uh, more than 200 to 300 employees. And for the large organization, they are more than 25,000 to 50,000 of employees. In that case, just imagine
Yes.
there are plenty of HRs. Like for 25,000 employees, there are 100 to 200 HRs only. So it is very much tough for them to managing the data of each and every employee's leave request and of the payroll and these things. So
Yeah.
this is where the Oracle HRMs is mostly used.
Okay.
Now next one is supply chain and inventory. So it is basically what is this? This mostly focuses on the managing the flow of products and materials from the suppliers to the customers. Like
Uh-huh.
for me, you can say uh, in the organization in which I was last was working is it is a kind of like wood and pulp product. So
Mm-hmm.
that companies deals with different type of small companies and they will provide the their wood and these furniture products to the small companies. So this is a kind of business to business model and where the supply chain management is mostly used. Like we can say the key functions where it is include is starting going from the procurement, then inventory management, then
Mm-hmm.
warehouse management, and then
Okay.
managing the logistics and then demand the planning. Hmm.
Okay.
So
Okay.
for this, we can go for an example like when a just imagine when a customer places an order, Oracle SCM can determine what whether the product is available in the stock or not, whether the
Uh-huh.
warehouse contains the product or not, how the product should be shipped, whether the additional stock should be ordered from suppliers or not, and if
Uh-huh.
the inventory level falls below a predefined threshold, the system can
Okay.
automatically generate the procurement request. Okay,
Okay.
so this helps the organization to avoid stock shortages and improve the customer satisfaction. This is a kind
Okay.
of
Fine.
uh, like if you have ordered something from a shop and you are you are demanding like you need it in 2 days, but due to some technical or some glitches, it will take 4 to 5 days. So it is bit frustrating for you also in real life, we can
Okay.
say. So the in the same situation, what the SCM is managing from your order placing to order delivered, the whole process, the whole automation process is taken by the Oracle SCM.
Okay. Fine.
Mhm. The next one is Oracle CRM, like customer relationship management, we can say. It is mostly focuses on the managing the customer interaction and relationships. It helps for the organization like customer information, sales opportunities, service requests, marketing activities, and like we can say the customer support. Um, so consider a telecommunication company is there. A customer reports a network issue. Oracle CRM create a service ticket and records all the relevant information. And
Okay, fine.
give he give to the same to the support engineer. The support engineers can track the issue, update the resolution status, and communicate with the customer. Then management can
Okay.
monitor the responses time and service quality, we can say, and through the dashboard and reports. This will help the organization for the providing the better customer service and improve the customer service retention. And our
Okay.
last one is Oracle manufacturing. Oracle manufacturing is nothing like, it is just used for the production based organization. Like it supports the production planning, material requirement planning, work orders, resource management, we can say, quality control. So these are the
Okay.
Oracle modules which are mostly used by the organization for making their work more effective, less errors, and more productive, we can say. Now we will go for the installation prerequisite. It is a kind of, you can see here the hardware requirement. What the hardware requirement? The Oracle applications minimum they need 8 GB and 16 GB is
Mhm.
recommended for a smooth flow of the applications. And the storage is needed 100 plus GB free disk. And the CPU is multi-core CPU of 64-bit processor will be fine for that.
Okay.
And we will, if you coming for the part of operating system, we can go for Windows also. We can go for Linux also. But as per my suggestion, Linux will be the better one because most of the organizations are looking for the Linux only. They will not
Yeah.
provide you the GUI. I think you understand the GUI, the general user interface. Mostly
Yes,
you
yes.
will get the CLI, command line interface, using the Oracle. Okay, so better if we can go with the Oracle Linux, or if you are comfortable for Windows, we can go for that Windows also.
Better we will go for Linux.
Okay, that is fine. That is fine. And then we will for the database, Oracle database is like 19C or 21C is the latest one. It must be installed and configured. That is the normal thing. And then the software stack, which is JDK 8 or JDK 11, is mandatory for running the Oracle applications.
Mhm.
Oracle WebLogic server and Oracle HTTP server is also needed.
Okay.